Now this is how I make the perfect egg using a microwave. Okay. Now all you got to do is take your egg. Well, first you get some Pam, or this is olive oil, and you spray it in your paper plate, regular paper plate. Spray it in there, try to get it in the paper plate. Then you crack your egg, of course, and you put your egg in. Alright. Then, put your egg into the microwave. Before that, I like to put salt and pepper. I use Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Put a little seasoning, put a little bit on there. Alright. Stick that in the microwave. Put it right in there. And then what we're going to do, we're going to cover it with another little paper plate. Alright. And we're going to put it for 1 minute. Now it's going to pop. You're probably going to hear it pop a little bit. That's normal. I like to use the cold egg of the refrigerator. They seem to do better. Okay. Now what we're gonna do, I sometimes put Canadian bacon in. I'll put that in right before it's finished. Now if you want to, you like this yellow sauce, then you can just go 50 seconds probably on the cooker. You're gonna hear a little popping. Okay. So about 10 seconds before it's over, you can pull it out, and it'll give you an egg with a little bit of yellow, running yellow. That's what you like. All right, we did 1 minute. Pull it out. Okay. That's 1 minute. Okay. Now that is a perfect egg. Now I didn't put the Canadian bacon in there. What we're going to do, we're going to cut it open. Okay, yeah, okay. So it's a little, it's perfect. A little yellow running, if you like that. Or you could go, like I said, a little bit more. You can go a minute, and after it stops, go another 10 or 15 seconds, and this would be hard. But to me, that's the perfect egg. And there's no mess. There's no frying pan to clean. Just throw away the paper plate when you finish. And that's how we make the perfect egg.